How are you, my viewers? Welcome to Eric Kimonye Talks. Today we're going to talk about IT infrastructure. What is IT infrastructure? So IT infrastructure is a combination of components that make up what runs the IT services or the IT environments. So the IT infrastructure is made up of the components that you can see here. So it's made up of the data center, made up of the connectivity, the network, the compute, the platforms, and eventually the end user devices. So I'm going to break down for you each one of them in each of my episodes, and today we are going to start with data center. So data center is a specialized facility that is able to run thousands and thousands of computers in a very efficient manner. Here we are talking about the best cooling technology, the best powering technology, best security. And the reason for the best of the best is you really don't want to lose even a single downtime, because of a power outage or because the data center is too hot. Yeah, data centers can be too hot because the servers emit a lot of heat as they are processing. So with that, you need to cool it efficiently. As they blow out the hot air, you need to blow in cool air. So data centers are spread across the world. There are many data centers, and we have large-scale data centers across the world and also in Kenya. Most of organizations, big organizations in Kenya, own their own data centers. So you find they have a facility either within their building that they are able to run all their services that they offer. Some of them go ahead and outsource some services. Like in Kenya, we have several outsourcing companies that are able to outsource for you the data center. So your work is just to take your servers and your components out there. They run very efficiently and it removes the headache. So for the data centers, there are two kinds of data centers. So there's ones that you will run on-prem, where you run within your organizations, and the other that you can outsource, what we call a co-located site. Again, in data centers, they have various tiers. So there's tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, and I think a tier 4. And this tiering is based on how fault tolerant they are in case of a failure. So starting from tier 1 to tier 4. So tier 4 is the best of the best, meaning they guarantee 99.99 something. I am not 100% sure, but sure on the numbers. But basically what they tell you is that this data center cannot go down. The reason they cannot give you 100% is because of acts of God, for example, earthquakes, tornadoes, and etc. So that's why they cannot give you 99 point. They cannot give you 100%. So basically, that's what hosts the data center.